Okay, but it's not getting recorded.
Now
Are
it's
you,
recorded. No. Okay.
it's recorded now?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. First of all, tell me, how can you speak such a nice English? I am really one.
Oh, I learn from a lot of people also. I have friends speaking English.
Yeah,
Um,
you're supposed to speak French, nice French.
yes.
I, I
You,
don't know anything French about anything except one thing that's called l'amour. I don't know, since
yeah.
nobody knows that.
You know, I live in country where we speak French, Spanish, English, uh, the
Oh,
language of
I've
yeah,
seen
we
on
speak
Wikipedia and YouTube, it's a nice country to even visit. Maybe
yes.
we can visit someday. Maybe.
Yeah, it's a country we speak a lot of language here.
Okay, I know 9 languages. I don't know
Hmm.
how much you know.
For me, just three, just three.
So I can speak 9 languages. This is fun
Hmm.
to speak many languages.
Hmm.
Anyway, but I hope someday I will learn French, maybe from
Okay,
you. Uh,
okay.
okay, let's come to topic. I'm taking your time.
Mm-hmm. So,
Let me clear one thing, friends.
yes.
Look,
Mm-hmm.
I am a doctor by profession, okay?
Uh-huh.
And I keep the promises.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, first thing. And second, I'm a gentleman,
Mm-hmm.
and I will not eat any penny of you, any
Mm-hmm.
cent of you.
Mm-hmm.
This is my promise with you. But
Mm-hmm.
some time being, maybe money is in my pocket, but not in my scalp. This is the issue.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Okay, it's
I
not a
understand
proof
that
issue.
because
But
you know at this time there is a lot of problem with screen, net error, and some other.
yeah, there's an issue for
Mm-hmm.
converting the money in my pocket into
Mm-hmm.
fluidity,
Yes.
the
Mm-hmm.
fluid that I can send to you. It's not a problem for money. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
don't worry about that. I will give you right
Mm-hmm.
at the time, and it will be sure for sure.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to assure you, what I'm expecting from you, I need you to assist me and help me also. This is not all about money. It will be like a great thing that you will do for me for as a human being, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to learn you from level 1 to level 9 gradually, and each
Mm-hmm.
webinar you can teach me about one level.
Mm-hmm.
This will be a great help for me. It will take like
Mm-hmm.
9 webinars, not very
Mm-hmm.
much time for you,
Mm-hmm.
and I will get great benefit from you. So today I think I was expecting that we can learn about moving average, that's magic V and
Mm-hmm.
MP3 38.
Ah, you
M30.
are interesting for moving average.
Not moving average, MV.
Envy, okay.
Magic V.
Okay, it's not the same thing, eh?
MV4, and
Mm-hmm.
second thing is M38. These
Okay.
two things I need
Mm-hmm.
to be the best in.
Okay. You want to a topic for this webinar only for MV? It's better, I think.
It's
Only
better for the M38.
unfortunately, you think you begin to be good with MV now?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
somehow, but
Mm-hmm.
in M38 I'm not good. For that, I want to have some concept with that.
Okay. Let's go for M38
Okay,
during maybe 20 minutes and 30 minutes because it's really, really simple. Because I will
okay,
explain you with the good way to use it. Okay?
okay,
Not make any mistakes of beginners.
okay.
Uh,
That's fine.
let's go. You know, M38, we Hunter call it like this because
Mm-hmm.
it represents some analysis for high time frame.
Okay,
You know, we trade on 1 minute time frame, but
okay,
M38 is for high time frame. Why I say that? Because when you use M38, you use only you use
mm-hmm.
first trend line. Okay,
Okay,
you use trend line and you try always to find some higher high,
and high
okay,
low.
and higher low, like this one.
Okay,
I will try to find a good one, but you know, market is 92%.
okay.
It's a really bad market.
Yes, once it says more than 90, it means they're trapping you.
Yes,
Don't
it's a
play.
really bad market for a beginner, for uh, some guys who which like to follow just the trend. It's a really bad market today.
Okay,
It respect really hard this the SNR today. Okay,
okay.
if I try to find some good trend line You can only trust this one
Okay.
for
That's good.
M48. Okay.
Okay.
But one thing you have to be really, really careful is where I put my line.
Okay.
For the higher high, I always use the higher high, the tip, the head tip of the green candle for the higher high.
Okay.
Okay, always connected to the next higher high there. This one, not this one. It's a red candle. I always choose the green candle.
Okay.
Okay, it's really important for this kind of market with 92%.
Okay.
Okay, the strategy of M38 is really simple.
Okay.
Market is following some river.
Okay.
Okay, if I use this one, I can copy it and pass it to the
Okay.
next lower high there.
Okay.
Because at this moment, the market is in uptrend. Okay,
Okay.
higher high,
High and low.
higher low there. Okay, and now you can see the movement of the market.
Okay.
At the moment during 30 minutes, 1
Okay.
hour, it goes out of the river,
Okay.
and after some times it go back into the river.
Okay.
That's why M48 is just for high time frame, but you trade only in 1 minute time frame, 1 minute expiration. Okay.
What do you mean by high time frame and later we trade only for 1 minute? Doesn't it
Yes.
seem so? This is strange.
Yes, it's really strange, but you know why M48 is at the level 8?
I understand. It's a little bit complex.
Yes. You have to understand what happened in the high time frame without see what you see what I mean? You don't
Okay.
see the candle in high time frame, but you have to understand the movement in high time frame.
Okay. So we have to shift the candles in 5 minutes or 10 minutes candle or something like that.
Yes, if you want, you can open chart. Which one I have? USD try,
In candles, candles. Yeah.
U-
Euro USD.
USD this one. Ah, it decrease. Okay, no problem. This one I choose 5 minutes.
Okay.
But you will see something. I don't need to open another chart to see this now on the app. I just need to do this.
Okay.
You see?
So we have to switch. We can switch in candles in any time, but we
Mhm.
have to trade on the expiry of the 1 minute, right?
Always, always,
Okay.
always. Okay, that's the better thing for me. But in M48, if you want to be sometimes confident or you think you are confident with expiration 5 minute expiration, you can
Okay.
taste it. But the best is 1 minute expiration.
Okay.
Okay. For this one, we will wait a long time. The strategy is simple. It touch one time. It do
Okay.
this kind of V
Okay.
and touch second time.
Okay.
We just have to wait until it touch a third time. It's the entry
Okay.
point. It will
Okay.
always create a backup. At
Mm-hmm.
least one candle red. But
Okay.
for today, I think we will wait until we dead. Okay. At
Mm-hmm.
this moment, market is just going to ranging because we are already at the end of market session. So now
Okay.
it will ranging for us today. Okay.
So it's not better to trade in ranging?
No, don't use M48 in ranging.
We have to
Okay.
use it in trendy market, right?
Yes, only in
Okay.
trending market. Okay. Why not ranging? Because ranging is somewhere SNR are not really respected. You will be
Okay.
confused.
Yes.
Okay? But I will explain you how to trade it after if you really want to trade the M48 in ranging also. Uh,
Okay.
let's see. Uh, sometime area. Whoa, this one is really, really good. It's really good. It's really good. But I will explain you the best one first.
Okay.
Uh, when I try to see, when I see with my eye a
Okay.
downtrend, I always prefer to choose this tip,
This red.
the last one of this ranging.
Okay.
Okay, it's really better to choose this one. And because I choose this red candle, I have
Yes.
to choose same point, a a tail tip
The red candle.
of red candle. Okay, I make a
Means
copy.
if green candle tip should be according to green candle, and red candle tip should be collide with the red candle.
Yes, market every day will most respect this kind of trend line.
Okay.
Okay, you can choose sometimes red candle to green candle to red candle, but it's another strategy. It's not for M38.
Okay.
Okay, I can't really teach you something like that because it's not the most respected one.
That's fine.
Okay. Oh, let me draw it correctly. Something you have to remember. SNR is our area.
Yes, it's not a point specific point, it's area.
Okay. But the most powerful is when it works like a line. It's really the most powerful. Let's see when you have to trade. This one is a downtrend. No problem.
Okay.
It's go out, go up. Okay.
Okay.
This one go out and then go up.
Yes.
At this moment,
Yes.
it's the entry point. But when you see this one cross it,
Yes.
don't take the trade.
Okay.
Okay? If it not cross, you can take the trade for a put time, 1 minute.
Okay.
If it cross, let's see what happened after. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now, this is my tip. It touch one time, two time,
Yes.
the third time. Most of time it will try to cross,
Okay.
like this one, but always after it will be a pullback. 90% of time, it will create at least this little doji.
Okay.
Okay, because it should appear there, but you see this one, buyer are too powerful. Okay.
And this will be case always, or this may happen like
Hmm?
once it's crossed the line, trend line,
Yes.
and there's one candle that has crossed. After that, there will be doji. Is it for always?
Mm-hmm. It's happened 90% of time. The third time, most of time there is some kind of breakout. Ah,
Okay.
my baby is crying.
Okay.
Can I make a little pause to see what?
Yeah, yeah, it's this guy. I got it.
Oh, okay. Where I can make a pause to the what
You know
I.
what?
Mm-hmm.
From all the things I will see, I will give you a compliment. You're a
Mm-hmm.
really nice person. Really.
Oh,
Not
you
just for just you
too.
teaching me.
You,
You're kind.
mm,
I
you're,
like you.
you know, I would like to be a doctor also, but I prefer to play with a computer.
No, it's fine.
Mhm,
It's nothing new in the doctor. Doctor is
mhm,
fine. It's fine.
mm,
But my passion is trading. You know.
mhm. Oh, everyone can be really, really interesting in trading. It's so good to understand something over the scientists can understand sometimes.
Yes.
But you will see it. You will see that.
Yes.
Okay. But the first time, let's see what to do. The first time, most of
Okay.
time, it will make some cross
Okay.
breakout. But
Mm-hmm.
after this candle,
Okay.
90% of time, you will have a pullback.
Okay.
Okay? With a safe money management, you
Mm-hmm.
will get profit at least 7 times on 10,
Seven times.
at least. With
Seven times.
90% is the good market, but the
Okay.
worst is 70%
Okay.
with bad market. Okay.
Okay.
Mm, mhm. Wait. Some kind of water. Du- 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 du. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. You understand it?
Yes, I understand it. Once it is crossing the line,
Mm-hmm.
90% of the time it will pull back.
Yes. 1 minute, not more.
Yes, 1 minute.
Because when it
Okay.
crosses, it crosses.
Okay.
Mhm. Uh, let's see another example. Let's see. Um, this one we are in 1 minute, and in 5 minutes it's like that, but it's not really helpful in 5 minutes. So, and in 10 minutes, not really helpful. So it's better in 1 minute. There is more thing to trade in 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. This kind of trend. This kind of trend, most of time, you will be surprised because it happens suddenly after this.
Mm-hmm.
You
Okay.
see a market going down slowly, and
Okay.
suddenly, boom, it go up, go up, go up, go up, only go up.
Okay.
Uh, for M48, you will have more consistent profit if you wait a
Okay.
long time.
Okay.
Because if you use only M38, the last moment you will use it is most of time there.
Okay.
So I use this red candle. I
Okay.
connect to this red candle.
So these are point of my trades,
Mm-hmm.
right?
This one?
Yes.
No. When most of time M48, you have to wait long time. You have to see a V.
Okay.
You have to see always higher high for this one. No, at this moment it's a higher low, and another higher low at this moment. Okay.
There's no lower low.
Lower. Let me remember something. Higher high. Yeah, lower low. Okay. This one
Okay.
is lower low.
Okay.
This one lower low, lower low. We are in downtrend. Okay. You have to see
No,
this.
friends, it should be a higher low and lower low.
No. This one is a higher low.
Yes,
This
and
one
down
is
one
the
is
lower
lower
low.
low.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one is a higher low. This one,
Yes.
lower low.
Yes. That's
Not
fine.
this one. This one is
Yeah.
nothing. Don't count
Yeah.
it as a lower low. Never.
Okay.
Okay. You remember the rubber band man?
Remember what?
The running man, like a running man.
Yes.
This theory, sorry. When
Okay.
you see the market go down like this one, create just one green candle and
Okay.
continue his way, don't
Yes.
count it as a lower high, lower low.
So we cannot count it as a SS1 or SS3, something like that.
Yes, for SS it's really good. It's the best
SS.
is the best condition for the SS1. And all
Okay.
SS, SS3, SS1, best condition is strong trend, always.
Just want to understand where should be my point for the trading.
Mm-hmm.
Means I have put this arrow, trend line,
Mm-hmm.
I have connected the points,
Mm-hmm.
I have drawn the higher high, higher low, or whatever that's suitable there.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to take the trade.
Mm-hmm. When you know where the market is going, you
Yes.
know this one is an SS1.
Okay.
When you know when the market is going. That's why most of the time you will need to, at the beginning, you will need to find the higher high, the lower low with M38 to be sure where
Okay.
the market is going. And when you have to get your entry point is there. You see, it cross,
Okay.
create one candle, but after pull back.
This is reversal. Yeah. Pull back.
Okay. This kind of strategy, you can use it one per hour. Okay. That's why I don't use it.
Okay. But this is very most accurate thing.
It's really powerful. I know one master win some tournament when last week, I think, with
Mm-hmm.
just M38.
Okay. It would
he,
have been taken too much time
Mhm. But why he won this tournament? It's
due to
because
compounding.
no, I will explain you why. Because M38, it's better. It's the better. It's the powerful place to trade is there. You
Yeah.
wait maybe 30 minutes. You
Mm-hmm.
choose a big V,
Okay.
and you wait the first time it will touch this area.
Okay.
You choose big V, but M38. That's why
Yes.
it's in level 8. You can use it also there.
Okay.
Dun-dun-dun. At this moment, I choose this lower low.
Low
I
to high
connect
low.
I connect it to this one higher low.
Okay.
But at
Oh,
the
this could be a higher low. Why
Mhm.
not the last one, last green,
uh, this
last
one,
green color?
this one,
No, no, last one that touches the line.
this one,
Last one before reversal.
this one,
Up there, up there, up there, and the arrow.
this one.
No, no. You have to go forward, forward, forward. Yeah.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait. I try to go. Which one? Can you use your VPN? No.
Maybe I can't. This one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you can see.
No, I can't see your pen.
It's fine. No problem. Okay, leave it.
This
You have
one,
to take this. No,
this one,
no. Come forward, forward,
uh,
forward,
uh,
forward.
this
Yes,
one,
yes,
this one.
yes.
No. Each time you choose a trend line, you have to connect the bottom to bottom,
Okay,
the top to top,
okay.
head to head, tail to tail.
Tail to tail. Okay.
Okay.
No, I got it. Okay.
Because if you try to do this, it's another strategy from another group.
Yes.
I will send you the link to this group, but it's another strategy. It works, but
Okay.
it's another thing. It's not M38.
Okay.
So tail to tail, it's also M38.
Okay.
Uh, for this one, when you don't have the tail,
Where would be the trading
okay,
opportunities in there?
okay. When you don't have the tail,
Okay.
you have to place it at the mid.
Mid of the body.
Yes, mid bottom of the body.
Okay.
Okay, is the best place. And as you can see, after it touch it there
Okay.
and directly create a green candle.
Okay.
Okay, if it go there, don't trade. It
Okay.
cross. Wait,
Okay.
what happened? And when
Okay.
it touch there,
Okay.
you will see what happened again, because you have to see what happened when it touch there. It cross again. You wait,
Okay.
and finally it stay under this one. Okay, that's
Okay.
why this one is not powerful area to trade M38. This
Okay.
V is a little too tiny if you want. It's not really powerful for small MV.
Okay.
But you can trade also if you see some kind of S1. This one, maybe we can call it a S1.
No, no, it's not. It's not a good S1. You know.
Okay, it's really not powerful, this one. It's really risky.
Yes.
Okay, but for trend line, SS will always appear there when they touch the
Okay.
trend line. Okay, this is where you will find SS. If you want to trade M38 on small trend, it's better to wait SS. When you
Okay.
see SS, 80% of time you will win
Okay.
for small MV. Yes, okay. But you can use it also for this one.
We can go against the trend, against the big boy. That
Yes,
doesn't.
at
That
the
that doesn't count.
at the level 5 or 6, I prefer to say 6. No, at the level 4 with MV, you can go
Okay.
against the trend because you can trade there
But it's
following
better to go with the trend and more safe.
most of time.
Yeah.
Okay, you can trade following the trend. You can trade against the trend. It's
Okay.
the powerful of the MV. Okay.
That's cool.
Mm. Uh, and where you can use the MV again, it's the tricky area.
Okay.
It's for this one.
Hmm. So
And
we
if
have to choose the body of this red candle, and we have to see the head of the
mm,
red candle in the
mm,
below.
yes, if you want to use M38 for each candle, you
Yes.
you can test it. It works. But how to use it? You have to place on the mid there,
Okay.
and this one is red also.
Okay.
You place it on the mid head,
Mm-hmm.
and you see
Fine.
what happens. This
This is
one,
all.
it cross.
Yes. Yes.
But for this part,
Mm-hmm.
what you have to understand is when it go down like this one,
Yes.
it go down like this one. If it
Yes.
go down this one and cross,
Yes.
the next one most of time will try to cross, and so
Okay.
on, and so on. It begin there, it cross, it's a breakout.
Okay.
It begin there, it continue, great. It touch there, great.
Mm-hmm.
It touch there, great. At this moment, it's beginning to be far away of the trend
Line.
line.
Yes.
For the market, it's time to create
Arranging.
some pullback to go to the trend line.
Okay.
You can use it like this one, but it's 1 minute. It's tricky. It's fast.
So we gotta take a trade here. With the trading points here.
You can trade this one.
Okay.
Let's see. You can trade this one. Uh, when you see this one appear, no, not this one. I don't recommend this one. You can
Mm.
trade. this one,
Okay.
this one,
Okay.
until it cross, you can trade. That's all.
Until across, but there will be one mistake in the green candle that you see in the below
Until it go too far, you
from the
can
line.
trade. This one, okay, you can test it, but this one is the risky. It's the powerful one because of power candle. Maybe you can test it with power candle, but
Yes.
if you follow only M38, this one is risky.
Friends, I have seen one video of you that you
Mm-hmm.
posted there. There was
Mm-hmm.
one three, four trades, consecutive trades in the downtrend, same like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you are using this method, right?
M38? No, just power candle.
Okay.
I use for this one just power candle and also CR7 plus also not MV but SS.
Okay.
I recognize a lot of SS,
Okay.
so I can use it also with power candle and CR7 to take this kind of trade for each candle.
What's the power candle? Means you just judge the momentum of the candle, how it's going and how it is expected to do.
Yes, when you are able to see what happened for each candle during its formation, you can see what will happen for the next candle also.
So we have to take the trade right on the 32nd, right?
Yes, always.
Okay. That's good.
Mm.
Right.
After it, I continue. After it go too far to this trend line, don't trade this one, don't touch this one. And when it touch this one and create this
Small treasury.
red candle, small red
Yes.
candle,
Next candle.
you can touch this one,
Yes.
touch this one, not this one because it not touch it.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
this one no, but
The
this
above
one you can.
one SS1, it will be very weak or some weird type SS1, yeah?
This one,
Yeah.
for me, it's not SS1. Why?
Okay.
This one is
This is
some kind
what
of
we
hammer.
call. Yeah, yeah.
SS1, avoid hammer.
Yes.
Why you can take this trade? Just
To trend.
sellers is really powerful. But this
Okay.
one is not SS1 for me.
Okay.
Mhm. I should take the trade only because of that. The history of this candle.
Okay. That's good.
Mhm. You always have to, uh, you need a reason to take the trade.
Okay.
More you get knowledge, with more knowledge, you can have lot of reason to take the trade.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see the free way to trade with M38. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The best
Okay.
one is with big V.
Yes.
Okay. The second one is with right leg or left leg. You can choose any one. Okay.
Okay.
For in VV, you choose the right leg or left leg, and you can also use it for long trend or each candle.
Long trend
This,
for each candle. We
yes.
can use the right leg or left leg also.
Mm-hmm.
And we can use it for the breakout. Breakout
Also,
of
also.
trend line
Mm-hmm.
and expect for the next candle will be going down.
Exactly. This two green candle as example.
Okay.
What happened?
Two green candles.
What? I
Yeah.
create my trend line uh, with these two green candle.
Okay.
This one open here.
Okay.
It's too far.
Yes.
I can take the trade for this one to go up. No, because most of time it will go down to touch the
Why?
trend line.
Why it will go down? How can we predict this? We can't say this.
Because most of time it will try to go down.
Okay.
The M38 trend line uh,
Okay.
react as a magnet if you want.
Okay. Everybody want to stick with that.
Okay, it's like a magnet most of time. It will ting, ting, boom, 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 et boom.
It's just like France that is moving around the market and girls are sticking around.
Okay.
It's good simile.
Mm,
It's fine.
mm,
Just joking.
mm. And doom, this one is too far. It cross.
Hmm?
We have to wait what happened there.
Okay,
Too far. It's over for this one. Change FM38 if you want to wait each candle.
that's good. Fine, fine.
Okay.
So, can we take something live? I know your tournament account. Can we take some trade?
Yes, no problem. No problem.
Yes. Just for example, this is
Mm.
only. Yeah.
Um, let's see, because I see this green candle. I
Mm-hmm.
hope it will create another green candle.
Mm-hmm.
So I place my trend line right now.
Okay.
Mm. And I like to see what happened there. And I wait. I should wait maybe long time.
Okay.
It touch there. It will touch there.
Okay.
And I wait this point.
You will not. Why don't you take on the up there? Why
This
not?
one? I can,
No.
but for now I just use the M38 side.
Okay.
That's why.
So
But
that should be taken on the one side only. You can take for two sides.
no, only in one side, the M38.
Which side? On the if
Because
the
I place my first trend line there for these 2 points.
okay. Why we can't take the trend line from the above?
Because it's not this M38 style. It's another style.
Okay.
You can take the trade when it touches there. It's what we call the golden point. I will explain you later.
Okay.
You can take the trade, but it's not M38 at this moment. It's another thing.
Okay.
It will work most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Fine.
But we will see. This one, the trend is going some kind on ranging, no problem. Let's see. This one is it's some kind of ranging at this moment. Let's wait to see what happens.
Can't we take a trend line from above? The big one, big boy. Can we see the big boy?
This one?
Yes, from above.
Let's see.
Does it make any difference?
No, it will make a difference, but maybe a good difference. Wait, where is it? You don't- I chose this one.
Yes.
Connect to this one.
Okay.
This one is a big point.
This will be point for the reversal, right?
Yes, it will be a big down, a big candle will appear here, a big red candle.
Okay. Why so big? Means why you insist it's big?
Because the logic of trend line, there
Hmm.
is sellers sitting there.
Okay.
They sitting there. There is
Okay.
seller sitting there.
Yes. So you
Okay.
expect the same thing here.
All these sellers will meet there
Okay.
and create a big red candle.
So we can take the trend line from below also, like crisscross that Anton was taking in the video.
Uh, like
Crisscross.
just I try to create this trend line.
Yes, this one. Kind of this thing like that. Yeah.
This one?
No, no, from above, the big trend line.
This one.
Yes.
Yes, it works also.
Okay. But it's not making any point
Hmm?
to take.
The entry point for this one. One time, two, second times, the third time, it
Okay.
cross, and 1 minute after, pull back.
Yes.
It works everywhere. You just have to be patient.
Yes.
If you can recognize a good higher high and lower low, you will get profit most of time.
So how we have to proceed with higher high and higher low?
Mm-hmm.
Can you explain that in few words?
Mm-hmm. The higher high and lower low, it's when you analyze the chart,
Mm-hmm.
you just try to find. Let me clear this one. Okay, this one is clear. What is higher high, lower low? Higher high
This
is
is lower high,
lower
higher low,
high, lower high. Why? Why it's lower high? Because market goes up.
and up and down and again up, again down.
It go down further.
Okay.
Go back here. Go down further. Go
Yeah.
back here. Each time uh, market change the direction strongly,
Yes.
it's a good
Yes.
higher high, lower low.
So these points, how we can take a help from these points?
Mm-hmm.
Means what these points do actually.
Where?
Higher high, lower low. How this can help us?
It means at this moment there is what? All traders
Yes.
think it's time at this moment to buy.
Okay.
For the
Higher low.
lower low, for the higher low, each time
Yes.
it do this one, all
Yes.
traders or 90% of traders think it's
Take
time
to
to
buy.
buy.
And what's the point of higher high?
And higher high.
This point, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Why I choose not this one, but this one?
Uh,
The
I
logic.
don't know. I don't know.
This one, there is 50% of traders thinking it's time
Okay.
to buy.
Okay.
50% thinking it's time to sell.
Okay.
There is a fighting.
Okay.
But at this moment,
There's indecision.
yes. After this indecision, boom, all
Okay.
market think it's time to go down, 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 down.
So higher high should be in the upper world. Means
Mm-hmm.
not this then the start.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This one is the good higher high.
Okay.
After this one, it's higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay,
Yes.
but it's where we see the chart at this moment. But
Okay.
for this one, I can see it. It's too far. There is maybe another higher high somewhere there. Okay,
Okay.
it's just to see where we are. Okay,
Okay.
but the logic is more important. Higher high happen because it's time for all market to sell.
Okay.
Lower low, it's time for all market to buy. That's
Okay.
why when you see the fulfill of a V,
Okay.
you have to wait.
Yes.
If the market will choose to continue to buy and
Yes.
follow the market, or if it will really respect this area to sell again
Yes.
and don't miss the trade.
Okay.
Okay. We wait, but at this moment, market will really go in ranging style.
Okay.
Okay, but okay, it's respected. It continue his way.
Can we see some other pair?
Uh,
Yeah. If
yeah.
shows some opportunity.
Some active pair, most of time it's Euro USD.
Okay.
Okay, let's go for this one. Yes, not really bad, but I prefer to find the really good example. But it's too late for this one. It should be the best one. You
So
see
we have to check for the red candle,
it?
head of the red candle, right?
Yes.
So you have to touch it with the red candle head also.
Yes.
So whenever it touches that same point, there's a
Mm-hmm.
higher possibility it will pull back.
Yes. Okay. If it not cross
As,
it, if it not create a breakout, pull back.
yes. If it is breakout, after that breakout candle, there will be possibility of the
Mm-hmm.
pullback.
Yes.
Okay.
For this one, I will choose the green candle. It's same thing.
Okay.
Okay, this one, there is lot of fighting.
It is expected to go and cross that.
Mm. It's trying hard at this moment to cross.
So just let's wait for that. Once it's
Mm.
crossed, the next candle will be pulled back.
Mm. At this moment, it's too late for M38. Why? Because
Right?
at this time, it not create the breakout as usual.
Mm-hmm.
It
Sorry.
create a green candle.
So now it's crossed, like friends.
After, but at the third time it touch, boom,
Mm-hmm.
pull back directly.
Okay. So it has done the same thing. It's pulling it back. Should
Mm-hmm.
be expecting the green candle right now. Right now, the
Mm-hmm.
current trade. Current
Mm-hmm.
trade.
Mm-hmm. But when it create this kind of pullback, it's too late to
Yes.
trade.
Okay.
You can catch it again. Market just
Mm.
did not wait you. It touch
Okay.
it, it begin there, boom, boom,
Yes.
boom. Sorry.
Okay.
It touch it and don't let you touch it at this moment. Okay.
Okay.
With CR7, you can
So
do
currently
something.
you see there's a
Mm-hmm.
green candle that's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So we can have a trade of that, or if
After this one, with
yeah,
M38,
current candle
this
that
one,
has crossed. Yes.
it's another thing. It's not a M38 at this moment.
Mm.
It's the reversal point. This one. It's one of my favorite entry point because it's really, really powerful.
This is entry point for what? Means you have to take the trade what?
Most of time, when market breakout an
Yes.
SNR,
Okay.
it will try to test again this SNR,
Yes.
and most
Okay.
of time
It will pull back.
it will pull back. 95% of time
Mm-hmm.
after this breakout.
Okay. Now, this will be a powerful point right now for entry of the seller. Put.
At this time, it will most of time create at least one green candle, or it will never cross.
The
That's
line.
why for the reversal point, it's better to use like CR7 to place your entry point when it touch the SNR. It's better.
Okay.
But when it
Yes.
close, really close to the SNR, you can also.
Okay.
It work. It work fine. Okay. The market create its breakout, test again the SNR,
Yes.
and 90% of time it just confirm that this SNR
Okay.
were a good support. Support always create good resistance.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
boom,
sir.
boom, 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 and he will continue his way now to go down.
Okay.
This one is too late, so we have to choose another one, and we will now see the ranging. The ranging is like trading each candle, okay?
Okay.
But for this one, I prefer to use this last two. It will be really, really, really tricky, this one.
Okay.
Okay, I use the tip, the tail tip of red candle. This one
Okay.
is too far for me, so I prefer to wait.
Okay.
I have to wait. I will use $1 to
Okay.
stay in power candle.
Okay. No
And I will
problem.
try to explain you because we will wait a long time and I don't like really to wait. It
Okay.
should be, I need to be active.
Yes. You
Okay, so for this one, no, it should not work. No, some buggy. Okay. Uh, for
I've
power
seen
candle,
this candle every time. This candle is going down.
uh,
Once you have big wick,
mm-hmm,
and that's a hammer. The
mm-hmm,
next candle is red, and it's always going down.
mm-hmm.
This is
Let's
the same
see.
thing like SS7.
SS7.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So let's see something.
Yes.
Because power candle, most often we don't really care of the color.
Okay.
Okay. So for this one, okay, I will get it back. Yes, big candle, great. But now you will be.
Yes.
Let's see if I am right or not.
No problem.
Hmm. Hmm.
What was
For,
logic for this trade?
for this one,
Yes.
this formation,
Yes.
most of time means
Yes.
that buyers is there.
Okay.
But just after it, sellers create a big red candle. No
Okay.
problem. That means sellers are really strong.
Okay.
Next one, most of time, it will create a pullback.
Okay.
But not this one. Why? Because lot of traders are sleeping now. You know what? It's important to choose the time to trade.
Yes. What's the
After
you
1 hour, most of traders they will not confirm your choice. Okay.
yes? What the time in GMT you trade for to trade
Mm,
in?
I do you know the app the FX Now app? I discovered it today, and it will show you the good time to enter into the market to trade.
Means I can understand. Means
Uh,
what do you use in the time?
mhm.
London market, which time in GMT?
Yes. Hmm.
American market
I
overlap.
I wait most of time the opening of the London market.
Okay, after 1 hour after the opening of London market, right?
No, 40 minutes for me is good.
Okay, and
Mm.
after that, the second good time.
The second good time, there is not second good time.
So time of
Mhm.
opening of London market.
Yes, most of the time I prefer to wait it because I have lot of opportunities. My percentage of ITM is
Hmm,
above 80% at this moment.
that's good. That's fine.
Okay.
So
Um,
8 GMT. This is the time for opening of London market, right?
yes. Mhm. It created 1 to 3 minutes after. Okay, no problem. I 4, 6, 7. Okay. This first trade,
Hmm.
it was with the reversal point.
So you use martingale, friends,
No, Martingale. No, never Martingale.
and what about compounding?
Never also. I prefer because I trade a lot of candle. I can't use Martingale. I will get lot of work for less profit. Not enough profit because I trade each candle and I have no profit on it after. Too many losses with
Yes.
Martingale.
So
Martingale.
So you're working on it, means you're trying to control yourself to take less trades.
Yes. If I try to use candle power,
Yes.
it's when I have a big amount on my balance.
So can you tell me what's the candle power here? What right now?
Maybe
You,
in another topic,
yeah, I
because
know.
uh,
Just 2 minutes.
in a simple way to understand power candle,
Yes.
you have to watch the formation of each candle.
Okay.
We begin with this green candle.
Okay.
The logic of this candle: buyer, go back.
Okay.
Okay, buyer take the power if you want.
Okay.
Buyer stay
Yes.
strong. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that means in the power candle style, the next candle should be green also, because
Yes.
it's power. It's the buyer time.
Yes.
Sometimes, because we are in 1 minute,
Yes.
there will be some kind of this red big candle. No problem, because
Yes.
it's in 1 minute. We have some noise. Most
So
of time,
yes.
the next candle will be the good green candle.
Okay.
Okay, but we don't know. We have to wait. Market will
How can
decide.
how can we judge the next candle with the green candle?
Because in 1 minute there is lot of noises.
Okay.
It's time for buyer at this moment. But
Okay.
we have this green red candle appear.
And it's also very powerful.
Really powerful.
So I'm curious. Well, how did you put for the call?
Because it's time for buyers. That's why power candle is really tricky to understand. It's only
Yes.
about who is in power of the market at this moment, buyers or sellers. If you
Okay.
can find
That's good.
who is in power at this moment, you will understand which candle is just a noise and which candles is in the good direction.
That's cool. Your prediction was right.
Yes. 90% of time, I'm right. Okay.
So I will pray for you to be 100% right in future.
Mm, okay.
Yes, guy.
Now, because I just want to recover my losses, I use $8. But when I recover my losses, I turn back to $1.
Okay.
It's for the webinar.
Yes, yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Yes, I understand.
So as you can see, this trend line,
Hmm.
not really respectful.
Okay.
Okay, we will wait a long time between the next.
Why don't we take the trend line from above, the upper point, high point?
This one is better.
Yes.
Okay.
How you- Okay. Yes. So how we find the opportunity for the trading here?
Mm. It cross. We have to wait what happened here. It create this big red candle, and you know why this big red candle appear.
Yes, some buyers, sellers.
Some sellers. Okay. Now this one cross again,
Okay.
but you see it try to go down.
Also, yes, go down.
So we can trade for this one.
Why we can trade for this one? Why so?
This one cross.
Okay.
It some kind of hammer doji, and
Yes.
most of time in M38, if it try to go from there to there,
Yes.
the next candle will do it.
Okay.
It's
Means
just for a candle like hammer and doji.
means if M38, if there's some doji that is crossing the line,
Mm-hmm.
next candle will be at the same color.
Yes, most of time.
Okay.
Because it's the direction of the market. This is the logic behind this candle. They can
Okay.
do it for this 1 minute session. They will do it for the next 1 minute session.
Okay.
Mhm. And it's better when it's in the direction
Okay,
of the trend. Okay.
that's cool.
This one also, it go from there to there.
Yes,
Okay.
candle
That
should be
means I,
simple.
I follow my way. Each time it did this, it do this cross,
Okay,
I follow my way.
okay,
Let's see for the next one. In it's too okay.
okay. So once you take a trade,
Mhm.
sometime it's going in opposite direction. So to try to save that trade, do you take
Mm.
some extra trades?
No, never try to do this.
Means you try to catch the trade in
Mm.
increasing the amount and taking in the opposite
No,
direction so
you have
to
to be
recover.
confident to your trade, even if it's go back like this one to create some pullback. You have to
Okay,
be confident to your trade, and you have to know how to recover your trade. That's why all I try to teach you,
yes,
you will have to choose which one you can really understand to know how to recover your trade, your losses, even if it's one loses in 9 wins. Okay.
okay.
This one is going back, okay, but it's time for sellers.
So how do you protect some sellers are there? This
Uh,
very big green candle. So
yes, it's very big, but
SS2 also. Kind of SS2
at this
maybe.
moment, no, it's not SS2.
If it was, it would have been ranging. That it would have been a
Why?
good.
Because just think about the logic at this moment.
Yes,
Sellers are strong.
yes,
Buyer try to do something there.
yes,
Sellers show that they continue to be really strong. And
yes.
suddenly they appear. No problem. They will create one candle maybe, two candle maybe.
And after that, they will pull back. Yeah.
At the end, they will pull back.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. When you have a big balance, you can trade each candle power candle style.
Okay. Big
Okay, that's
balance
why like
like.
$100 and trade with $2.
Oh, I see.
Okay, you can
Okay.
trade power candle with no problem because you know which is in power at this moment. But
Okay.
we are
That-
in closing market, so you will get lot of losses. Your rate of ITM will go down to 70% most of time when market are closing. So
Okay. It completes the V here.
yes.
To it.
So most of time for power candle also, if it not go back for this one and this one, that
Mhm.
means buyer take the power. You lose two times to understand that with the
Yes.
power candle style. That's why I
Yes.
don't want to really teach you this kind of trade because I think lot of person will be greedy.
No.
Mhm.
This is human nature. Everybody gets greedy.
Okay.
So,
You will see with lot of losses, you will try to find a way to not get so many losses in your trade.
so you're gonna trade after this candle because it's completing the V, and there's
Hmm.
one plus candle.
At
If
this moment, with the power candle style, oh, for me, I know now it's we are in uptrend.
okay,
It's the buyer moment. Why? The logic. Boom.
yes,
Lower low. Some kind of higher low.
okay,
This one. Lower low.
okay,
But boom, we cross this lower low.
yes,
We directly cross this lower low. It's over.
yes,
The market changes its direction.
okay. So you can judge the trend reversal by assessing if the lower low is crossing the higher low.
Yes. Mhm. When you trade each candle, you can see this area as lower low, higher
Yes,
low, lower low, higher low, lower low, and so on.
okay.
Hmm? That's how you can know in what kind of trend you are, downtrend or uptrend for small V.
Small what?
Small V.
Okay.
Okay.
How can we predict a small V?
Small V for me, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the right leg. Small V.
Okay. So small V, how it tells you it is reversal of the time or trend?
Mm-hmm.
How it
Uh,
tells?
because one of the basics is when the market cross there and there,
Okay.
this one, a downtrend is like this one. It creates lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low,
Yes.
downtrend. When it
Okay.
crosses like this one, boom, 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 boom,
Okay.
uptrend. Mhm. And after this one, it will create some kind of what? Ranging, not
Means as this
ranging.
one? No. It's not
Which
as this one.
this one? A
Turn
doji.
red. Turn
Mm-hmm.
red. Because there's a power of the sellers.
Mm-hmm. Okay, for this one. Oh, I think it will be a good
As
one.
this
I have to wait something. I have to wait until it touch there.
Yes.
I hope, because I think it will be red or just never cross this SNR.
Okay.
Why?
Once it's red and it has a head, can we
Mm-hmm.
consider it as this one?
This one?
Yes.
When the body is not a hammer, yes.
Mm. Okay.
And when there is no doji like this one. At
Okay.
this moment, when market is closing, and most of time also,
Okay.
doji means strong SNR.
Okay.
You have to consider it as a strong SNR, one of the strongest.
Okay.
Mhm. Oh, it created this one. Great, 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 great. It's time. Boom.
What it's created now? This is edema.
This one is SSYA.
Oh, this is. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just point that.
Mm.
It should turn red. Yeah.
Lot of SS, huh?
Yes. No. Yeah.
Mhm. I
Like
should
this
put
is
a
going
call
down.
in for this one. But
Yes.
let's see, because at this moment I prefer to be careful. Market are closing, a lot of traders are sleeping. I prefer
Yeah.
to be careful.
Okay.
Mhm.
That's cool. Friends, you know anyone out there in your country or somewhere who is earning good money? Like, I got a target for the $1,000 or $1,500.
In my country, we are just 10 trading.
Number one over there.
We are a little country. We are
And
just 10 officially on
but
IQ
this
option with trading with IQ option.
it's beautiful country. I have seen on YouTube.
Mm.
You airport, and this is very green area.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it was the official name of that.
French Guyana.
Oh, French Guiana,
Yeah.
and this is one of the beautiful they're saying in West Americans.
Mm.
So it's
Mm.
never be mind over there. You know, you're living in a good country.
Yes, it's a really nice country. No snow.
Population and
It's.
you can dream of. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's a very nice place to stay. So you
Mm.
must be something proud of.
Mm.
Your population is very less, like
Mm.
200,000 something. You know,
Yes.
in our cities, only one quarter of district is having more than 500,000
Mm-hmm.
people. So it's very, very less. Very,
Mm-hmm.
very less.
Yes. It's
And
a really. It's like a village, if you want. It's really nice to live there.
Means we have a city that is having the population of more than 25 millions and 30 millions.
Yes, it's really hard to live. I try to live in Paris.
Okay.
I dislike because too many people. It's like robots. Oh no.
So you go to France forever.
hmm
You like French Guinea more better than France?
I prefer my little town than Paris.
What so? What is this, peaceful or what?
Yes, for peaceful.
Okay.
Mm.
Should I visit that? It's a good tourist attraction or something?
No, it's some kind of village.
So
Nothing really happened there.
is it safe to
Mm,
go there?
Most of time, it's really, really safe.
Yeah, for you maybe maybe something I don't maybe I should ask or not. Kind
Mm-hmm.
of racism or things like that. It's nothing
Mm-hmm.
like isn't.
Mm-mm. No. Mm-mm.
I'm not white, but I'm a little bit white.
Mm-hmm.
It could be like some brown white or something like that.
Mm-mm.
I don't think it's
Most of us, we are in lot of color. White, black, yellow. Uh,
are there some
we have all color, so we can be in
are
racism.
there some Indians living over there?
hmm
Indian? Have you seen some Indians living there?
There is a lot of Indians.
Really?
Yes,
Yes.
lot of Indians.
Okay. Some Pakistanis and some
Yes, also we have lot.
Pakistani also.
Also,
I can't believe Pakistani.
there is Pakistanis. Yes.
So can you get me in touch with that Pakistanis? I'm curious. How could be the Pakistan?
But I know they are there, but I not talk really with them.
Okay. I'm
uh,
just
but they are there also. Yeah,
yes.
they are
So
good
I'm
cook.
happy that you're living in a good place.
Mm.
Okay. So what do you get a plan now? Those is this webinar is all about over or that
Mm.
what?
For me, I think you have a lot to practice now with MV and M38, and I hope to get in touch with you tomorrow just to
Okay.
see if you have understand at least a little MV and M38,
Okay.
the rules and conditions, and maybe let you practice until we are Tuesday,
Uh,
until Friday.
let's tomorrow see it again, and I will pay you tomorrow also, and
Mm-hmm.
for this money also, and other
Mm-hmm.
for the next one.
Okay, thank you for this one.
So once I'm taking late or taking some time, so
Mm-hmm.
never consider it's a problem of money. It's a problem just to transfer the money from my pocket to cards, so that to
Mm-hmm.
transfer you. So I'm a gentleman. I have
Mm-hmm.
never need to just make a things, pretty things
Mm-hmm.
for money. So trust me, yeah. Okay, friends. I
Okay.
I trust you. I don't know. My relation is very, we're strangers to each other, but. In the in terms of familiarity, you are very familiar with me.
No.
So I
Mm-hmm.
like you. You're a gentleman,
Mm-hmm.
and you're very nice and very cute.
Oh.
Maybe in life, if I become very good trader, maybe I will visit French Guinea
Oh,
someday.
me also. I hope to visit a lot of country, and I hope to visit your country also. That's
My
why
wife,
I want a lot of money to get in travel a lot of time.
where's my country?
No, but maybe you are in Pakistan.
Yeah, my country's origin is Pakistan, but I'm living in Saudi Arabia, and
Uh-huh.
I'm doing job here. So
Okay.
means I have family here in Dubai also. You can visit
Mm-hmm.
Dubai. It's a good place to visit there.
Well, with my family, we have to visit it. Maybe not this year, but next year we will
Sure,
try
I'm
to
from
visit.
Dubai. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Dubai, we have roots over there. We have
Mm-hmm.
family. So
Okay.
okay. Thank you, friends. So this recording you will send me right now.
Okay,
In
I will try to get the record and send it to you as soon as possible. It will take for me at least because we have spent what 1 hour. Maybe I will send it to you in 3 hours. It will take some time.
okay, I'll wait for that.
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice time.
For
Okay,
you
friends.
to see you.
And baby from me also. Okay.
Okay.
All the best.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.